This is Henry Minry. Hope everybody had a good Wednesday. Kind of been up to my usual tricks today. I've gotten myself into a little bit of troubles here and there. But tonight, I really got myself into some troubles because it was my turn to be in the recliner with Mama J, and even though Wanny was minding her own business, I don't really want to talk about this. I better. Mama says I need to tell. Okay, I'm going to finish it. When I'm sitting in the recliner with Mama J, I don't really want to tell this. I don't really want to talk about it. Okay, I will. I'll do it. So when I'm sitting in the recliner with Mama J, and Wanny's clear over on the big sectional couch, I growl her. I growl her from the recliner so that she can see that I'm the one sitting with Mama, and I mean business. And I got myself into some troubles, and I had to get down out of the chair. And when I do that, I get in troubles, because Mama says it's rude with a capital R, rude, 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 rude. And Grandpa T says he can't even believe it, because Wanny's not even doing anything wrong, and she's not even getting in troubles. She's just laying on the couch. I don't know what's wrong with me, but my manners aren't being very goody today. Mama's trying to help me see that I can't be that way. Me trying, I have to work on it and practice some more. Hope everybody had a goody day. Better day than me have. Growing up is sure hard. It's tough some days. Some days it's tough to make the right choices. I didn't make very good choices today. Hope everybody keep you good tonight. And we'll see you in the morning. Love you. Woof, woof.